So this is the user interface of MongoDB after connecting to the server. At the right-hand side is the panel for the database management. Here we already create one database called complaint. Inside there is one collection called the department created. So MongoDB is a non-SQL database. So unlike SQL database, non-SQL means not only SQL. So inside the collection, it can store different types of data. So not just the tabular data. Here we already have one database complete. Then let me show how to create one more database. Just click the button, key in the name, university, create one more database called university. Then inside we collect one collection called lab. Click the create database. Then it's done. We create another database in MongoDB. Okay, we already have two databases. Now we try to insert some data in one of the database in the company and the department. We visit the department collection, click the add data. There are two methods to add the data. One is to add the data through the JSON or CSV file. One is directly through the direct keying for the JSON pairs. Let me use the direct method. Delete the sample information. Keying what we have prepared here. Paste information. Basically, it's the JSON key value pair inside the curly bracket. Then everything looks good. Click the insert. Then we have one record inside this collection. Then we collect two more pieces of record. Insert one more. Okay, now we have three records inside this collection. Now let's exploring some basic function of MongoDB, like find, sort, update, etc. So before we explore those functionalities, let's import some sample data. Let's create a new collection called sample. Then this time we import the data with the import JSON or CSV file method. Click sample data import. Now here we have imported 100 documents. Now we are going to perform some basic functionalities like find, sort, and update in the command line interface. So for MongoDB, this interface is called Mongosh. So let's say we show, basically the command is quite similar to MySQL. You can show database to see the list of database. We have 5 here: admin, company, config, local, and the university. Let's use company database. Then already in company database. Now we can select the sample collection and find. Now if we enter this command, the output will list out all the documents in this collection, but I don't want to list them all. Let me do some sorting. In this sorting, we put curly bracket, then the attributes or the columns we want to sort upon. For this one, let's do this for age. Then we can put either 1 or -1. 1 means sort by this attribute in ascending order. -1 is descending order. Let's take a look, enter. You can see the age sorted, the collection is sorted by age in ascending order. 36, 37, 37, 43. Then we try out with -1. Then you can see it's sorted by age in descending order. 93, 93, 92, 90. If we do not want to see all the records, we can use the limit method to limit to show just the number of records specified in this bracket. Let's say we just want to save 3 records, 3 documents. We put 3, enter. You can see we here lists out just 3 records. So here's a quick demo of the sort and the limit function of MongoDB. Like any other database management system, MongoDB supports the query function. So to perform search, you just input the query inside the find bracket. Then put your query within the curly bracket. For example, let's say I want to search any document with age equals to 25. So inside the bracket of find method, I put the curly bracket, then put age, 25. Then the system will output any records with age equals 25. And enter the command. It will say it returns 2 records, 2 documents. Both are associated with age equals to 25. 25. Let's say I do not want to see all the fields. I just want to see the name and the age. Basically, we can add one more curly bracket after the curly bracket, something like this. We add one more curly bracket, then put the field we want to toggle to display or not inside this curly bracket. Let's say we put the name equals to true and the age, true means we want to display the name and the true only for the output. So as you can see, instead of outputting all the fields, now this time it outputs only the name and age. So the underscore ID is the default to be displayed. Let's say we want to update some fields in the documents. We can use the update one or update many methods. So for update one, here is the syntax. We put 2 curly brackets inside the update one function. The first curly bracket, we put the condition to filter which documents we want to update. Then the second curly bracket, we put the update information inside this curly bracket. So for this command, we filter any documents with age equals 25, then we set the name equals to Bob. Let's enter. Now it update for one document. Then if we see the records, we can see the first document with age equals 25. The name is updated to Bob. Let's say we want to update all the records with age equals 25, then update the name to Bob. We, instead of using update one, we use update many. Then you can see the match count is equals to. Then we see the records. Both documents with age equals 25, the name is updated to Bob. Let's say we want to delete the field name from these two records. What we can do is we use update many. Here, instead of using set, we're using unset. Then put the name to empty. Enter. Then we search these two documents again. As you can see, the name is deleted. Let's say we want to delete the whole document instead of the fields. What we can do is using the delete one method or delete many. Delete one. Put the condition inside the curly bracket. Age equals 25. Enter. So here you can see there is one document is deleted. We take a look again. Now we only have one document with age equals 25 left. All right. The last part, let's see how we can create index in MongoDB and how the index can help the search performance. But before that, let's do some quick find method to get some documents with age equals to 35, and we display the field of name and ages only. Enter. Okay, we got only one document. Then let's see how is the cost of this search command. We can change the explain function with execution and stats to understand how this command cost. Within the data, we can find the total documents exempt 99. This is because for the find command, they will do a linear search. If you recall, we have 99 documents inside this collection. That's why they iterate for 99 times, examine all the documents to get the output. Okay, 99. Now let's create the index for this collection. We use create index. Within the bracket and the curly bracket, we specify the field we want to create the index on, then comma. After that is the name or suffix for the index. Then we enter. So we create the index name age_1 on the field index. We run this command again to find the documents with age equals to 25. Enter. Now we can see the total document exam is only 1. Means there will be less iteration to find the documents we want. Means with the indexing, we reduce like 99 times of the time or time and energy to get the data. That's the beauty of indexing.